everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shrestha, and in today's video I am going to show you 8 organization items which will simplify your life, make your life easier, increase your productivity, help you be super organized and help you say bye-bye to clutter. So if you would like to know more about it, keep on watching. Like always, before we start with the video, today's shout out is to Isha's life hack. I am so grateful for you to always commenting on my videos and saying such good things. It really means a lot to me. And guys, she also has her own YouTube channel. She has some amazing content as well. Please go check it out and give her some love. And if you're wondering how can you get a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is comment below this video or tag me in any of your Instagram stories. My Instagram handle is thismighthelp.tmh and I would love to give you a shout out, guys. Now coming back to this video, if you guys remember, I did ask you guys on Instagram if you would like to see IKEA organization or an IKEA haul, because I got a lot of items from IKEA and most of you said yes. So I really wanted to show what I bought, but then I really wanted it to be, in a more helpful way that you get to see how I am using those items rather than just me sitting here showing you a haul and showing you the items. So that's the whole idea behind this video. And now with the longest intro ever and with all the backstory of this video and how I'm going to show you all the items I have bought, well, most of the items, because I wanted it to be more of an organization haul. Without any further ado, here comes the first item. 1. Cable management box or cable tidy unit. I ordered this from Amazon in the size large, and also I'll share all the links in the description box below in case someone is interested. This little box will make your life super easy. Do you have tons of wires and charging wires cluttering your beautiful house? If yes, all you need is a basic cable management box and ta-da! Say goodbye to all the mess and clutter and say nay to tripping over these wires. Shelf insert. Do you have a lot of vertical space in your kitchen? Do you feel it's not being utilized and just being wasted? Then this will really be useful. I got this shelf insert from IKEA. It was so easy to assemble. Literally took me just 2 minutes. And once it was done, it was so easy to insert inside the shelf. And like you can see, I have a lot of space now. I can easily use it to store multiple items now. Also, all those things which can easily get lost in these deep shelves and spaces, you can use different sizes of these shelf inserts, and not only it will save some space but organize your things. There will not be things cluttered everywhere. And remember, out of sight means out of mind, at least for me. So by using this, I can see all my stuff at once. 3. Back clips. Does your drawer look like this? Does all your food and stuff is falling and messing around in your space? Then these back clips are for you. Forget all those rubber bands we used to have. These are much better options. As you can see, I have ordered a pack of 30 from IKEA and there are 2 sizes in it, a larger one and a small one, but you can buy it from any local grocery shop, guys, and it is so easy to use. Not only it will help your packet nicely put, but will keep it airtight. It will keep your food fresh and safe from insects too. And voila, how organized does this look? You can also use a basket to segregate your stuff, but since I had space, all I did was on the lower shelf I have put all the extra spices, and on the upper shelf I decided to put all the nuts and snacks, and I feel this is all very tidy and super organized by using such super affordable back clips. 4. Underbed storage. I got this one from IKEA, the size specifications you can see here, and it was very easy to put together, literally took me few seconds, but you also have this picture guide if you need any help, and once it's assembled, it's so easy to use. Now you can use it to keep your duvet covers, your sheets, and then just store it under your bed, but I wanted to keep my heavy Indian wear, which I don't wear frequently here. So you can also use it to store your heavy saris. And these are like little sachets which will help the moth and the fleas and pest away. So I have just put it along with my heavy Indian wear, and it's so easy and convenient to use rather than those moth balls, naphthalene balls. And once you're done, just put it all together and you're good to go. Either you can store it under your bed or maybe in your cupboard. 5. Laptop support. I again got this from IKEA and it is really good, you guys. It is very soft from one side and sturdy on the other side. So this is different from all the laptop support I've ever used, because the soft side you can put on your lap and it makes you feel all comfy, and the firm part is for the laptop, and the laptop won't even budge. So it's super useful to work on those lazy days when you just want to work from your sofa or from your bed. I would highly recommend using it because it will increase your productivity. Plus it will also tackle the heating of the laptop problem, so you can use it comfortably for hours. 6. Undergarment drawer organizer. This can be easily used for socks or ties or even scarves if you have. And I know, guys, this is super common, but this is so useful. I got a set of 2 from Amazon and it was so easy to put together. As you can see, all I had to do was zip it up and it was all done. And they were a set of 2. This is super useful for all those drawers which looks like a mess, is always cluttered, but it's still a very important drawer because it has all your innerwear, all your belts, all your scarves. So if your drawer looks like this, or if your drawer is a mess like this and you can't find your stuff, you guys, use them. Because voila, and this is how organized your drawer will look for all those busy mornings. 7. Cute little table organizer. Guys, look at it, how cute it is. So just for those lazy days when you don't feel like keeping your stuff back to its own place, like all those nicks and knacks, just pop it in these, and not only will it keep your space clutter free, but will keep it safe too. So like example, whenever I come back, I'm too tired to keep my jewelry back into the jewelry box, so I can easily use one of these and can put my jewelry here, which will stay safe, which won't clutter my space, and I can easily then take it back and keep it in its place. Plus, like you can see how cute it is, it will act as a decor item as well, and I bought it from IKEA. Multi-purpose organizers. These are super useful, you guys, and they come in different sizes. So I got a pack of 6 of these, and they're so easy to put together. Once you open them, it's so easy. And these are fabric based, so minimal maintenance and super easy to keep. And the best part is you can use it for any purpose. Like I have used it to store the inners and some belts. Fit in almost all drawers, and they're easy to use, easy to maintain. You just have to have the dimensions of the drawer you want to fit these multi-purpose organizers into. I use it for organizing so many things in my life. I use it in my kitchen, I use it to store all my skincare, my makeup, and I also am using it to store, as you can see, the clothes. So this is super helpful. I also have a pack of such multi-purpose organizers, fabric ones, which I bought it from India, Amazon, last to last year, and they are still working perfectly fine. In fact, let me show you guys. So here they are. They are this fabric ones with a grey and white pattern, and I got it last to last year. They are in perfect condition, easy to maintain, easy to dismantle and then to put together. You can easily get it from one place to the another, and I usually use these ones to store all my skincare. They are like this huge one here and 2 of these square ones. This is what I got from India, Amazon. And like I said, these multi-purpose organizers are super useful, super helpful. And guys, I hope you like this video. If yes, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. Meet you next Thursday, guys. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all.